Hello, little ocean explorers. It's me, Starfish Sam. I'm not just a regular starfish. I'm the coolest five-armed sea critter you'll ever meet. Sit back, relax, and let me tell you some wacky stuff about life under the sea. First of all, did you know I don't have a brain? Not even a tiny one. Nope, no brain at all. But here's the twist. I don't need one. I've got a superpower called instinct. It's like having a GPS in my arms. I just know where to go, what to do, and how to find pizza. I mean, plankton. Speaking of arms, look at these beauties. 5 fabulous arms, each with a mind of its own. If one gets hurt, I just grow it back like no big deal. Imagine if you lost a finger and poof, it popped back like magic. You'd be the star of your school. Now, here's a fun fact. We don't just sit around sunbathing all day. We're sea creatures on a mission. I can walk, and not just on sand on walls, on rocks, even upside down. Bet you didn't think a starfish could moonwalk? Let's talk about my stomach. I've got 2. Yep, one for eating and one for, well, let's just say I like to keep things neat. When I find something yummy, like a clam, I just pop my stomach out, wrap it around the food, and slurp it up. Cool or weird, you decide. My sandy sidekicks. Keep being curious, and soon we'll meet under the sea.